Why are you looking at me?
I don't know, you're retired now. I kind of assume that you'd be like a little bit more relaxed.
Was your last day already happened?
Yes.
Oh, what's that?
Did you have
It
a party?
actually wasn't too bad. It was the only time I broke down is when I pulled out the driveway.
Guys, I just said that's like a segue. My channel, there's gonna be their last day. It's all McJuggernauts. You like that, Jeffrey?
Yeah, Mom.
You like that?
You need to link that ish.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
And you.
If he
Who's here?
Hey guys,
And Jackie again?
I'm good.
Yo, whatever happened to you that night?
Oh gosh, let me tell you. First of all,
I was just being nice. I didn't actually care. I was just.
Yeah, we're curious.
yeah. I mean, I got in there, right? They're laughing at me. Well, naturally, because you made me look ridiculous.
You did look funny.
Well, one eyebrow up here, one down here, but that's okay. That's okay.
Well, I
that's
didn't have my glasses on. I told you.
They're probably a little tuned up.
Yeah.
I just went over. I actually just went along with your eyebrows.
Yeah, but that made it fit in really good though.
Okay.
Because they're all laughing. I'm there complaining.
John's laughing right now. You good, bro? You guys want to come out here? Come on.
Where's your what logs?
What logs?
Yeah.
Oh, there's logs that I
Big
also.
logs, and he goes, "Oh, watch your steps."
What,
So
'cause your
I'm
brother
like
doesn't
this. I
pick
have
up
to
the
go
logs in
around
his
like
yard?
this.
You didn't tell him it was us, did you?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
What?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Why would you tell him that? The whole point was there.
That
Because
makes sense.
I have to make it look like
he could've
you
literally
guys
checked
are
his
all in
cameras
on
and
it.
then
So
saw
did
it.
they
believe you?
You couldn't see us on the cameras, no chance.
Yeah, they did. Okay.
Oh.
Maybe you, because you
They're-
took
they are
forever to
so
freaking get out of the yard.
They
I
are
smile and
Oh,
then
they're
they can see
gullible,
me.
plus they're loaded, right?
Actually, they weren't that bad.
Oh, come on. They're always.
No, they really weren't that bad.
Was
But,
Tom lit,
they were
lit or?
No,
Did he have mac and cheese?
no.
I swear I smelled it.
Yeah, I don't believe it.
but,
I'll smell
will
mac
you
and
let her
cheese
talk?
for like a mile away.
They're so gullible. I'm telling you. They remind me of the Stooges, and I don't even think they're as good as the Stooges.
No, nobody's as good as this.
You know what I mean? And then if you had to pick like who was Mo, all right? I was sitting there and I was like, well, Larry's got to be Mo.
Weber's like Joe. Weber's like
No?
Curly Joe or whatever. He was
Larry
like.
doesn't have any hair, so he
Yeah.
can't be Mo.
Exactly.
Well, that's true, but it's
It's
like
like
looking
three
for
curlies.
the it's like
Curly,
looking for
curly,
the
curly.
man.
You got to go for the
What's
boss.
the other one?
And
boss-
Tom
the boss-
Shemp.
the boss is
Tom
Mo
Shemp.
is the boss.
Yeah, but Mo had hair, even though
gotta
it was a
be-
bowl cut.
Yeah,
Curly-
but it's
Curly
who's the
Joe.
boss?
You
Who's
guys
in charge?
definitely know your
Joe
audience right now, because
three-
the audience
there's
loves
another
the Three
Joe.
Stooges, by the way. If
They
you
love
didn't
him.
know.
I love them. Joe
Yeah.
Dorito,
Okay,
Curly
so there-
Joe,
Yeah, so there's two Joes.
Curly, and then there was, I think there was one other one, wasn't there?
Just Joe.
'Cause-
Wasn't it just Joe?
Yeah, it was Joe, Shemp, and then
No,
the main
there
three.
was Curly Joe, Joe
Curly
Dorito,
Joe is Joe.
Shemp,
Besser, Joe
Mo,
Besser.
Larry,
Wasn't it Joe Besser?
Couple
Yeah,
Thanks, Jeff.
yeah.
You guys are the same age.
Wait, so did you get?
A lot of bald
No.
Joes.
Did you get the gnome?
What's that?
Did you get the gnome?
Oh yeah, I did. I
Where
did.
is
But
it?
listen, but before wait a minute. I should have brought it. I know.
What are you
It's
talking
in the car.
about? You don't
It's
even.
in the car. It's in the car. It's in the car.
okay.
But listen.
Jesus.
Okay.
As they're talking and whatnot. Okay. Now you made me lose my train of thought.
As they're
I don't think it was
they're
ever
talking-
going anywhere.
Yeah.
I'm listening, but I ain't
They're
hearing
making their-
nothing.
and they're talking about it. Larry was the one alongside of Joe.
We already kind of knew that.
Okay?
It was.
definitely him. He took it, and they were going to keep it for hostage.
For what?
So
What-
Larry was the husky fella next to Joe?
Hostage for what?
Yeah.
Money?
I don't know.
It's been
They
a
just
rough
said they're-
several years.
Yeah, that's gotta be bad.
They were
if
just
you're-
going to hold on to it for further down the line and
Is
stuff.
that what you're doing right now?
See you take it, did they?
Well, let's put it this way. When I left, and I also think that the smart one might be Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
I mean,
Yeah,
Keith.
Kevin's pretty cool.
Kevin.
Which one's?
He's the tall
He's
dude.
cool.
Oh yeah.
Because all of a sudden he says, "Can we trust her?"
Can
Yeah.
we trust you right now?
Yeah,
Well,
absolutely.
you dime me and Jeffrey out.
I still haven't seen
Well,
the
I
movie
had
yet.
to keep you
It's
together.
their idea to do pranks and stuff.
Right.
I don't care about this
I
now.
see,
They're
yeah.
the one who started this
I
whole
had
mess
to.
anyway.
How'd I get there?
Hold up. How do we know you ain't lying right now?
Because I'm not.
Well, where's the gnome?
Yes, you're
You said
leading-
you got
it
the
seems like
gnome.
you're leading up
You
to nothing.
You
Jack.
think you'd bring it?
I did.
If you
bring
have it.
I did bring it. I'll go
Yeah,
get
go
it.
grab it.
I'll go get it.
Yeah, 'cause something smells
That was
fishy.
permission.
Jackie,
Yeah. Every single game.
How's she gonna dime us out? Literally, that's the one thing she wasn't supposed to do. Wait, wow.
Out, Jack.
Yeah, I actually don't care.
But seriously, she started off right away by diming you guys.
What?
Do you need the
She
keys?
just left her keys here.
Did you lock your keys in the car?
No.
There. JT just hit the button. You're good.
What's the matter, Aunt Jackie? Can't get your story straight? Ma, you really trust her right now?
Yeah, I do, but
Hanging out with all the guys there, they're drinking, they're having a good time. They're like, what if you
Jackie
just...
how great she is.
They're probably a lot cooler than we are. Did you just lock her? Jesus Christ.
She isn't that old.
Effing her up.
She's not that old to be forgetful.
she's been
it's like
forgetting
intentional.
things lately.
Well, how do you forget the main thing she was supposed to be there for? She was literally dressed as a gnome, and how do you forget the friggin' gnome? Like, it doesn't get any
Should I do
stupid.
the panic button?
Then again, she did forget her keys.
Should I hit her panic button?
That would not be very rigid of you.
It was like I had it like a football, you know? So I was
Yeah.
kind of like getting it and stuff, and
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ!
oh my god.
That was your favorite gnome.
Ouch, my toe.
Holy sh...
You could have been a little more careful.
Ma, it's literally in pieces.
Stay away from that. would you?
Yeah, Luna, get in. Luna, get in.
Get in, 'cause it's
John,
me.
Oh, no,
John, get
you
in
know
here.
what? I can't even glue this back together.
Jesus, John, get in.
I got so
There's
many
like
missing
porcelain
pieces.
everywhere.
I think I broke my toe.
Hey, Jackie,
It's
what
always
the
stuck
hell?
up in the air anyway.
What was that?
That was an accident.
You're sure it wasn't intentional?
It's all over.
No.
It's all
Who
over.
says it was an accident? Whoa,
It
I don't...
was an accident.
Because it was like
It was stuck in my hat.
By leaving it in the car.
I mean, can you just like hot glue it? Is there something that can be hot glued? Where's the squirrel at? Is the squirrel alright?
Squirrel's still good, right there.
It's just. Oh, I feel horrible.
What did you even fall on?
What are you doing?
I tripped on this on this thing.
Why'd you have it wrapped up in a frickin'
Because
hoodie?
that's where it was when I left Larry's.
He knew you took it or no?
No, he doesn't real. Well, I just walked out with it like this.
Did you
In here.
really hurt your toe?
Yeah, I hurt my
You're just
toe.
trying
on
to
this.
cover up from dropping her.
Yeah, you trying to distract us from the fact you just did it on purpose?
No, I know how much she loves this.
Exactly.
I think that gnome took a chunk
sorry.
out of my concrete too, right there. Look.
Yo, Swift did something
sorry.
similar to this where totally fumbled a hard drive and then acted like it was like an accident, but we all know it was to get out of editing.
Larry didn't tell you to do that, did he?
No, I just told you what he
Or-
was going to do.
See,
Kevin, the nice guy.
No, I told you what he was going to do.
Was
Actually
Kevin
looked like
flirting with
she
you? Is
really
that why it
tripped.
made you feel good? So you threw her
Yeah, it
gnome
looked-
on the ground?
it looks alright right now. If you-
It did. I don't even think super glue's going to help that.
Yeah, it's not gonna be the same. Jesus. What the frick was the whole point of that? If now,
Yeah, now
It was just like a big lead up there, leaving it in the car. It was almost
I
intentional.
should have left it there instead of listening to you guys. Where is it?
You know, if they never
Told
took
you
it,
I
what's
had
going to
it.
happen to it?
You should have
That is
taken it
true,
out of the.
Jack.
You should have taken it out of the jacket
That's
when
what
you
I
were in
was
the
doing.
car.
Jack, it's not your fault, right?
now mom's gonna
No.
cry
The ones that stole it,
again.
right?
They stole it.
You want
yes.
mom to cry?
What even happened?
Do you want her to cry? Because she will.
It does not take
No,
much.
You can't make her cry. She's already
No,
cried out
that's
from the
not
shop
very
closure.
nice. I feel bad.
It doesn't take much for you.
I already feel bad.
All right, well then, what are you gonna? I feel like you should go do something to him then. Prove your worth, you know.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Jack?
What are you going to do?
Usually in a gang, that you gotta do an initiation, like you gotta go kill somebody or something.
Did they talk?
Well, not that
Did
far,
they
Jack,
talk
but-
about doing anything?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they talked about doing stuff?
And you know.
Yep.
You know everything.
Wait, what are they doing?
I know everything.
Yeah.
Well,
you know
could
everything.
tell us.
You know what I'm about to say right
wanna
now?
They want to go after.
Me? Nah.
Yeah.
I didn't even do nothing. It was your idea. What are they planning on doing to me?
was there too.
They're gonna text you for a barbecue
What?
of salmon. They have a real good recipe.
That's messed up because
Of
salmon's
salmon.
good.
They know that.
What are they going to do to me?
They know that you like salmon.
Jeffrey, it's
too.
about me for once.
I don't
Jesus,
care. It's about Jeffrey.
Yeah, they're going to invite you over for rice cakes. That's
But
all you've been
anyway,
eating
yeah, they
lately,
were
right?
gonna-
Damn.
Nasty rice
2
cakes.
weeks. It's been 2 weeks of rice.
You eat that? That's like freaking cardboard.
like,
Jack,
white
what do you
cheddar
want
on
to do
it.
to them? How about we
Wait
write...
a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait, what's the prank there? Is the salmon raw?
No, they were
Is it that
gonna.
I'm not
They were gonna
invited?
cook
Is that-
a
Oh, well, that
a
sounds
nice
good. Well,
salmon
let's
chi-
do
they were
that.
gonna do
They're gonna
chilling
give
and
me
grilling.
FOMO?
Call
That's
you
my kind of
over,
prank.
And then have you go over and then
Alright.
get you cornered into.
Cornered?
Where, yeah, cornered where the door
What?
is, the back
What the hell
door,
are we talking about?
and then
the
just.
corner and the back door.
Get you a silly string.
Silly string?
Can after can.
You're pulling from the holster there, weren't you?
That does sound like something they
That's
would
because
want
that's
to
what they
do.
were doing.
Do I get to eat the salmon? Because I might just take the silly string to the
That
face.
was
If it,
all their idea. Was
Whose idea was that?
Was
actually?
Weber there too?
that's a Weber idea if I ever heard one.
Weber was not there.
Webster needs to go
They
and
know
consult
that.
his own dictionary to
All
figure something
three of
else out.
them. Kevin, Joe,
All
and
three of
Larry, all three of them said they're going to get Jesse.
Well,
They ain't getting anything now.
remember I was telling you who was in charge? Who I thought, right?
Mo. Bald-headed Mo.
Ball-headed Mo.
Wait, who's
Oh, yeah.
Larry.
Oh.
And then Joe's over there going, oh, I like the way you're thinking.
Yeah.
Just like
Yeah.
this and stuff like that. Yep.
So,
And I have and then they were going to kick me out. They were going to say they didn't trust me. All of a sudden, they didn't trust me.
Makes sense.
I had to talk to him.
Yeah, I wonder why
I had
that.
to keep talking. And then, so I had to tell them, I said, all right, look, what can I do so that you'll trust me? So then we thought, I'll get you I'll buy the silly string. Because it's expensive.
And
Well,
then go break the note.
all right. Well, all right. We gotta do something because like I ain't getting pranked. I'll tell you that right now.
Did they say when?
They will give me 24 hours notice.
They're going to
24 hours. Well, I have to order the silly string, so, which of course I haven't done yet.
You should probably do that.
And then let them know, and then 24-hour notice. So from that point, that way.
Well, get it.
Yeah.
So,
order up, Jack. Order up.
all right. Yeah, because I said I was going to get a case.
Well,
Yeah,
anyway, what's the right idea?
I've got a good one.
Okay.
I got a really good one.
What is it?
Like an idea?
It's really
Yeah, you
good.
got a good fart building up, or
No,
All right.
well?
I got
What
a
is
good
it?
one.
All right, it's just like the gnome. You said you were gonna bring it and then you forgot it. So what's the idea? Did you not remember what the idea is?
No,
You didn't write it down, did you?
no.
What the hell? What is going on with you, Aunt Jackie?
It's a lot.
How about we just put the silly
I know,
string on
but-
them? Is that not the worst
I
idea?
think maybe she doesn't have the
I
idea.
feel like there's another opportunity.
You don't have an idea?
No,
So you just want to use, as Jess just said, so you want to use the silly string on them, right?
Yeah, let's just do that.
I think that's the best thing.
Yeah, all right.
Not
But
really.
don't put
No,
this video,
not
Mom.
really.
But don't
let
put.
me tell you something. No, you know what no. Listen, here's what it was.
What the?
I'm going to tell you what it
Okay.
Okay.
is. Silly string mixed with something else. Silly string has got to be
Raw meat
sticky,
juice.
maybe
What
sticky
the
or something.
Why
know?
don't you spell your name in Larry's front yard with weed killer? Jackie was here, and it wouldn't hit for 2 to 3 weeks. Nobody knew it, and all of a sudden you look out. What's all this dead spot? And
Yeah,
look-
and then they read it.
That
Right.
kills the gnomes too, Dad. That's what we're not trying to do.
oh,
Then they read
I was throwing out ideas.
it. You gotta make it
Yeah,
where
that's
they
not a
don't know
good idea.
who did it.
What if we put wanted posters with their faces on them in their own woods? They'd be like,
But
wow,
who's gonna see
who
them
put
in their
these
own
out
woods?
here?
That's just simple.
Yeah.
Like, man, who's in my woods putting bounties on
No,
my
I
head?
always thought, like, I was even telling them, I said, if you're going to do something, why just silly string?
And why just me? Jeffrey had every bit of hand in
Right,
this,
'cause-
and he
I
likes
was
salmon
screwed up.
too.
He dimed you both out.
I feel like I was intentionally not chosen. So now I have FOMO.
You have what?
Fear of missing out.
I
FOMO.
fear
Get it?
of missing out.
I never heard of that.
Yeah, I'm missing out on being
Because
pranked.
you've never missed out, so you need to never
Because they
need to do it that way.
intentionally chose not to.
What, do they think I'm not capable of pranking back? That like Jeffrey's
I-
some mastermind
I
of all
could-
freaking
I
Oh,
pranks?
maybe that's it. I like that.
actually,
yeah, that's
I
better.
Could
Well,
tell-
you
I
heard
could
his
tell-
idea about
I
putting the
think
signs
they're
in their
just
own
like-
woods.
Yeah, it's
They're
the
not
dumbest
very
thing I ever
smart.
heard.
That's
Yeah,
all.
but
they're not.
think about it. Like Uncle Larry's
Yes.
like, oh
What?
shit, some fans in here, like putting up one post. I think a fan wants to kill me or something.
Oh, you know.
I think
That
they're
is
just
pretty
not that smart.
Well, I think
That's
I
all
should
there is
probably
to it.
cut the camera because if you put this out, then he's gonna know anything that's
Yeah,
coming.
that's true.
She's got to pick it up, so they can't do anything if you're picking it up.
All right. Meeting adjourned because you don't put out your prank ideas online.
Yeah,
we learned that. We
everybody's a
learned
dime
that.
Dropper.
Guys,
What
drop
if
likes,
Mom, like,
leave
edits
comments,
it?
suggestions below.
And then like every time we say a prank idea, you take the audio and reverse it.
Oh, that'd be good too.
So nobody knows what we're saying.
Or put this video out and put it private,
Yep.
Yeah.
so only you can watch it.